Hello everyone. Today in this video I will be showing you guys how you can find out the exact date of an Instagram post or an Instagram reel. Alright, for that you just need to log into your browser, log in your Instagram account on your browser, as you can see, and you need a Windows computer for that. It's I don't think so we can check from our phones, but we can do it from our Windows computer. Okay, just log in your account through your browser and let's find out someone's date. Okay, so for example, this, you can see this is a reel and you just click the reel. Wait, let me show it. So now let's check the time in which a reel has been uploaded. Okay, let's check this. So as you can see, this is a reel and here we can see the date. It says 3 days ago. Okay, we just need to right click on this and we need to click inspect. From here we just we can find the date and time. As you can see, it says 2024-01-04, so it's January 2024 on 4 January 2024. Okay, and after that you can see T stands for time. It says 10:04:34. okay, it means 10 a.m. 4 minutes and 34 seconds. Okay, 10 hours 4 minutes 34 seconds, or we can say it's 10 a.m. 04 minutes. So for those who cannot see the time like this, okay, from them I have another method. You just need to click this. Okay, click this and then again go to the post. As you can see, my cursor has changed, and hover your post cursor above the date and you can see this. Right click and again inspect, and then you will be able to find the exact date and time. Okay, this is the way you can check someone's exact time in which they have uploaded the reel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy, please like the video. Okay, bye bye.